guys, welcome back. I'm gonna talk really low because I think everybody can hear me. This is an amazing room. You see these things? I can change the colors. And look at the Christmas decoration. This camera is not doing justice. These are Christmas trees, like there they have done that. Oh my god. And do you wanna guess where I am? I am at Bucharest. This is the first time I'm here and I'm so excited to go to the Christmas market tomorrow. It's Friday over here, so of course हम लोग बाहर जा सकते थे and everything. Wow! मुझे सब कुछ पसंद आ रहा है आज. Everything. I like everything. So we could have gone out right now and had a nice, what do you call it, party and all that, but we skipped because हम लोग सब जो हमारा जो crew है वो कोई भी 20s में नहीं है. So we all were like, कमर दुख रहा है, पैर दुख रहा है, I don't know what all दुख रहा है. So we were like, we can just skip that because we have done that enough in Dubai, I guess, and all our life. So so you're just gonna go to sleep right now. I'm gonna take a shower, go to sleep, and I'll see you guys tomorrow at the breakfast, and I'm gonna show you all the breakfast tomorrow. I swear, I'm not gonna promise, but I'll try. Oh my god. ये मैं पूरी रात कर सकती हूँ. I can do this. 1 second. What is this? Small. Oh my god. I think I've lost it completely. I'm gonna make it red. I need to go to sleep. I need to take this off and go to sleep. ऐसा होता है when you fly for like 6-7 hours. I think दिमाग के अंदर ये भर जाता है. Anyways, see you tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning from Bucharest, and this is the fit I'm gonna wear. Of course, it's very cold, very cold. It looks amazing out, sunny and everything, but my god, I just got up, so my face looks like a living mess. So I just need to wash my face, tie my hair, and then we go out for the Christmas market. And I missed the breakfast because I overslept. मैं हो चुकी हूँ तैयार and I'm gonna go to the Christmas market with one of my crew members. I know मेरी face की धज्जियाँ उड़ी पड़ी है, but anyways, the weather is so nice and I'm excited. Where is it going? That's my crew.
That is the question.
And he is 15 plus, almost 20 years into flying. Look at this man. Look at this beautiful man.
Black don't crack.
And right now we are in a car and we are going to the Christmas market. Christmas market.
No, what country did you say we're in?
I didn't say anything.
Oh.
We're going to the Christmas market and we're gonna have hot wine. We thought of walking, but then we both are new in this country and we were like, we'll get lost.
No, you won't. Google Maps, man.
I don't even know like how to use it offline.
Oh,
yeah.
Lord, you don't need it offline, man. I said that we have data, so.
Oh, he has data. Sorry, what the fuck am I talking? The city is beautiful. City is beautiful. The city is beautiful. They have like, these are for Christmas, right? The lights and everything.
Yeah, for sure.
Wow, it's beautiful.
So this is where they are. I remember this place.
Whoa. I get excited seeing dogs.
Yeah, you can see that.
Whoa.
Yes, indeed.
Whoa, look at the Christmas tree. And we made it. Oh my god. Woo. It is beautiful. Wow. Time to have hot dog. It's amazing. I love it. Look at the Christmas tree. Oh my god. Thank you. Thank you for waiting for me.
Yeah, you're lucky. You're very, very lucky. Moodful.
This one. Oh my god. Looks amazing. Yeah, I did try once and I was like, ugh.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
The only thing I'm gonna have it here. Yeah. I'm gonna try this amazing food. The only thing I'm trying to avoid is pork because according to my religion, I'm not supposed to have it. So this is the food and I'm gonna share it with him. He had a lot of food, but we're gonna have this. This is deer meat. This is like mashed. What is it? What is it called?
Mamaliga.
Mamaliga, and this is some meat. Halal, okay? Relax. Hot wine. We wanted to get a picture with this one.
Oh, another one. Wait.
This is a video.
All right.
Amazing.
Always is.
Yeah, it was very cold wine. It was hot. It was hot.
It was hot.
It was hot.
But an hour later, she's still hanging on to the cup. I don't know.
There are so many dogs.
Doggos.
Doggos. Ooh, he's cute. Super cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. Of course, we are not the. I'm not the best dressed today. I'm gonna have the hot chocolate with marshmallow and whipped cream,
And she just tried to pay with a hotel key. How did you force into this, by the way?
giant wheel, the hidden Christmas tree. He's with me.
Nope. I don't know who that is. Thank you.
Oh my god. Come here. You just lost one marshmallow. Oh my god. Oh my god, thank you. Guys, it's amazing. My soul left my body. Oh my god. Ooh. I'm sure I must have like captured the Christmas tree like 10 million times on this vlog, but I'm gonna do it again.
Too many people in front
Too
of
many
us.
people and the picture on oh my god. Look at him. We're done. We're done. We're leaving. And it was nice. We had hot wine, hot chocolate, marshmallows. Bye!
Yeah.
Until next time. And we're going back to the hotel. I'm gonna have my chai. Chai chahiye mujhe. Chai chahiye zindagi mein. Alright guys, I am back to my room. It was amazing. बहुत ही मज़ा आया घूम घाम के बाहर. मेरे बाल टोटली चिपक गए हैं. मैंने बहुत खाया. मेरा जो क्रू मेरे साथ जो क्रू था he didn't eat. तो मैंने उनका लोकल करी खाया with some मैश पोटैटोज़ और उसमें कुछ रवा था विच वाज अमेजिंग. और फिर मैंने डियर मीट जो सॉसेज के जैसा बनाया हुआ था वो भी खाया, थोड़ा लेके भी आई हूँ. अभी मैं पीऊँगी चाय बिकॉज द वेदर इज़ ठंडी. इन माई रूम ऑल्सो इट्स ठंडी. मेरा जो कलीग है, ही वाज लाइक उसका रूम बहुत कोजी है, सो ही वाज लाइक हम लोग अपने रूम में चाय पी सकते हैं. बट आई एम सो टायर्ड कि मुझे जाने का मन नहीं है. सो आई एम गोना जस्ट रिलैक्स इन माई रूम, चाय वाय पीऊँगी और 1 घंटे में सो जाऊँगी. बिकॉज रिपोर्टिंग वेकअप कॉल ही है कुछ रात के 0050 मिडनाइट. और उसके बाद 0050 150 का नीचे ये है रिपोर्टिंग है. देन वी गो. The best thing is I got my fridge magnets which I can show. I seriously need to get a stand. I got 2 of them. एक मेरी मम्मी के लिए और एक मेरे लिए. So this is like plastic वाला है. तो you know how moms are, ऐसे clean करेंगे. तो and this is for me. उल्टा दिखता है because front camera है. So that's it. मैं सोच रही थी I'm gonna buy some a crockery kind of thing because यहाँ पे बहुत ही beautiful था. But फिर ज़्यादातर shops they were not accepting card and everything, so नहीं हो पाया. So and this is the deer meat that I have. Amazing. और चाय पीऊँगी. I totally forgot to record the ending of the video. So right now I'm in Dubai. I have landed. I'm in my car in the parking, and it's 11:16 Dubai time. Oh my god, it was like a night flight from Bucharest, but an early morning flight according to Dubai time. The flight was almost for 6 hours, more than 6 hours, I guess. I can't even remember. And I have to drive another 20-25 minutes to home. मैं इतनी tired हो चुकी हूँ. अभी जाते जाते on the road I'm gonna buy a cup of chai. चाय सिप करते हुए मैं घर पहुँचने वाली हूँ. Take a shower, go to sleep because I've just got 1 day off. That is today, like I get the whole day. आज का पूरा दिन मिलेगा. फिर कल मुझे पूरा दिन मिलेगा. And next day I have early morning flight to Ljubljana. Amazing. All right. I need to get the car out. And if you have watched till here, do like and subscribe my page. And I will see you next time. Bye.